Pistachio Biscuits. So the ingredients are roasted pistachios, some almond flakes, melted butter, and we're going to use some orange zest, an egg, sea salt, golden syrup, and vanilla extract, and a bit of caster sugar and plain flour. The precise amounts will be in the link of the description, and on the way there, remember to like and subscribe. So we're going to cream the butter and sugar together. Now we're going to put all the ingredients together, except the flour. I don't know how to do this.
A few moments later. Stirring flour and all the ingredients together.
Together.
Right, now the cookie dough's coming together, we're going to divide this into balls, little balls about the size of a walnut. Stop.
Xavier,
So, Xavi, this is a kind of Xavi you need.
what are you doing?
We're putting the mixture as balls onto the sheet. Don't put them too close together, or else it will just make a giant cookie.
So that was a great job. We've made 6 cookies here and we've spaced them out about 1 inch apart. If you do them too close, as Xavi said, they're going to stick together, but it's not too bad. It's plain flour, so it's not going to rise too much. We've kind of done cookie shapes, but they should sort themselves out in the oven. We're going to put these in now, Xavi, at 180 degrees Celsius, probably only for like 10 to 15 minutes, but keep an eye on them. And we'll be back soon with hopefully some steaming hot cookies.
This is 10 minutes later in the oven, and they look lovely and golden.
Yeah, is that good? Nice biscuit. And that's it for today. Xavi, anything to say?
I'm sorry for not uploading in a while.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll do some other videos.
Yeah, hopefully soon some new recipes. So anyway, that's it for today. Like and subscribe. See you soon, guys. Say bye, Xavi.
Bye.